In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change brand name in Square. If you're rebranding or simply updating how your business name appears to customers, this walkthrough will guide you through the exact path in your Square dashboard. Make sure you're signed in as the account owner or a team member with permission to edit account details, and have the final spelling and capitalization of your new name ready. Start by going to squareup.com and opening your dashboard. Once you're in, look to the left-hand navigation panel. Scroll all the way to the bottom and select Settings. This is where Square keeps the controls for your account-wide preferences and identity. Inside Settings, click on Account Settings. From there, choose My Business. Next, open the About section. This page contains the details that define how your brand appears to customers and in many of your outgoing communications. Find the Display Business Name area and click Edit. In the Business Name field, type your new business name exactly as you want it shown. Be careful with capitalization and spacing so it looks clean on receipts and invoices. If Square prompts you to confirm the name, double check it for typos and confirm to proceed. It's a good idea to match what customers expect to see so there's no confusion at checkout or on statements. When everything looks right, click Save. This applies your change to the display name associated with your business profile. After saving, you may see a prompt to update the location business name. The display name you just changed is account level, while the location name is what appears for each individual location in your account. If your rebrand applies everywhere, choose to update the location name now to keep things consistent. If certain locations will retain a different public name, you can skip this step for now and update those specific locations later from your location settings. That's it. Your business name is changed. You should see the new name reflected immediately in the About section. It may take a short moment to propagate across the rest of your dashboard and appear on customer-facing items like receipts, invoices, and online checkout. If you don't see it right away, refresh your browser or sign out and back in. For a smooth transition, review a test invoice or receipt to ensure the name displays correctly and keep your team informed so they know what customers will see. Thanks for watching, and you're all set with your updated brand name in Square.